Alright, so we're currently heading up the Palisades Parkway to Connecticut. I picked up an Airbnb rental shoot, and I would usually never take a shoot or a job this far away, especially if it was just one job. I mean, I live in Philadelphia, I was working in South Jersey earlier today, and now I'm driving 3.5 hours up to Connecticut for one shoot. I know that it sounds crazy, but I'm actually using this as an excuse to get out to some different scenery, to fly the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Over the past couple of weeks that I've been flying this drone, I've been flying it primarily in Philadelphia, but I want to experience a couple of different sceneries here with this drone. So I figured coming up to Connecticut, it gave me the excuse to visit some other locations. So in today's video, I want to head up to Mystic Seaport, get some good footage there, and then we're going to drive even further north to Rhode Island. I think we're going to go to Newport, but regardless, we're going to meet up with some great people up there. So let's keep driving, and I'll see you guys in Mystic. Alright, so it has been one hell of a day. It's a little after 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm on my way back home from Rhode Island to Philadelphia. I'm actually sitting at a rest stop. I'm charging up my car, and I'm using the screen here of my car to light myself this really harsh light. But regardless, I wanted to jump in quickly just to say that the Mini 3 Pro footage from Mystic was okay. I think that the weather conditions really weren't the best. I mean, sometimes the fog can make for like really cool, looking scenery, and it just kind of adds to the video. But in that case, I really couldn't fly above 75 feet without fogging up the lens, having to land, and then having to wipe it down. So that was a little bit annoying, but we ended up going up a little bit further north to Providence, Rhode Island. So we took a detour. Instead of going to Newport, we went up to Providence, and I think that I got some of my best looking Mini 3 Pro footage that I've shot, despite, again, crappy weather conditions. I tried to use the upwards pitch of the gimbal to get shots that you usually wouldn't be able to with other drones, even like the Mavic 3 or the Air 2S, just because of this new design of the Mini 3 Pro. So I'm gonna get back on the road here. I'm going to get home, but let me show you guys the rest of the footage I captured here on this mini road trip from the Mini 3 Pro in Providence, Rhode Island.